Miss Malini, and whenever a cute boy like Karthik Aryan shows up at the Miss Malini headquarters, what do? We get some truly madly dating advice for you. You're welcome. So Valentine's Day is around the corner. Karthik, what are your plans?
I have to find a girlfriend for that right now.
What are you looking for? Why don't you tell them?
I don't know. I'm first of all looking for a girl. Yeah, that's simple. Then I'm looking for someone. Yeah, a lot of options. Then I'm looking for someone who will like me.
Aww.
Then I'm looking for someone who doesn't take much time.
Yeah.
No
high maintenance.
Yeah, no high maintenance. Not a lot of time is asked from me, and and yeah, I mean it's there's less of a time between Valentine's Day and today right now. So I think what come time mein bahut zyada ढूंढना
Okay, but what would you do for the girl on Valentine's Day? What would your ideal date? What would you plan?
I think I have this thing of being alone with my date, and like I would love to be on a yacht or something, which is a cliche thing to say. I mean, yeah, you've seen it.
You can't go wrong. You can do the whole Titanic pose.
Yeah, you can do the Titanic pose, or you can do all sorts of things. Being on the middle of the ocean or the sea and on a yacht with your girlfriend, doesn't get better.
Okay. Has a girl ever asked you out?
Yeah, Miss Malini just asked me out 5 minutes.
Don't do that.
Before the interview.
I found out that he's
I'm single and I'm looking for a Valentine's Day.
How old are you?
I'm 25 right now.
25, you're so young. Oh my god. Your whole life is ahead of you.
It
so if
doesn't
you could
matter, Miss
have...
Malini. I can be Mr. Malini.
Wow, so amazing. So tell me something, if you could say that any one Bollywood movie is like the love story you want in your life, which one would you choose?
I think a lot of them. I think DDLJ is one of my favorite movies, and I think DDLJ is something जो मैं लाइफ में चाहता हूँ कि उसका पापा मना करे और मैं
जाके
बताऊँ कि so कुछ होता है.
When's your birthday? What's your zodiac sign?
22nd November.
Okay, so we choose Scorpio.
Scorpio one.
Wow, girls, please, I hope you're leaving comments.
But I'm a trustworthy Scorpio.
Wow, everything in one. Okay, so what's the key to a long-lasting relationship? Let's tell everyone. We truly madly need to know.
I think it's trust. It's trust and respecting your partner. That's it.
So now love has changed, right, in this new 2016, and a lot of people are finding love very successfully online. So if you were to look at a girl's dating profile, what is the first thing you would look for?
I think I look at the About Me section.
On the dating app?
On the dating app, yeah. If there's an About Me section, I think that would be something telling me about her. Because most of the profiles are hidden, most of the profiles you can just read about them.
Yeah.
So profile pictures का कुछ भरोसा नहीं होता.
And they never really look like their profile photo.
Yeah, they never look like. I used to, मतलब मैं change करता था जब मैं बचपन में कुछ ऐसी app use करता था. I used to change the profile picture to a very handsome, good-looking guy, and I used to be like, ये मैं
But we actually have a link up here for the DP toolkit. So if you want to take the perfect profile photo for yourself on the dating app, you know exactly what to do. Okay, so what do you think a girl should do to impress you on the dating app? Aside from having a good about me, like what should her opening line be, or what should she be like?
I think sense of humor is something which I look out for. It's again, it's a very girly thing though. कि लड़कियां देखती हैं लड़का उसको हंसाता है कि हंसी तो फंसी हो जाता है. But then even as a guy you also want that frequency to match. So I think that's something which I look out for in a chatting session also, if I in a dating app basically. If we're chatting also, so there has to be a topic in which we can actually there's no serious conversation involved.
Sure.
It has to be serious come a bit of funny conversation. So I think that's what I look for.
Yeah, and you know, like a lot of girls do boy browsing, so they'll go through profile after profile. What do you think a guy can do to stand out? Exactly. Okay, swipe karte karte upar niche. So what is the one thing you think guys can do to it? Like immediately the girl can stop browsing and be like, yehi hai wo.
What guys can do? Okay. I think that's about the profile picture.
Yeah. Just don't put Ritik's up, just put your own, just be yourself, look cute. And you have a message, a Valentine's message for all your fans?
I think just do have a plan, make a plan before it gets too late, and as always. So that's what my
make a plan.
Yeah, just have a plan, have a decent plan. She'll be happy.
And can you do your favorite romantic dialogue for us? To the camera, to the girls who are waiting to be your Valentine?
I think there was this a dialogue from Pyar Ka Panchnama 1. It wasn't a dialogue, it was just a word which I used to say, and after Pyar Ka Panchnama 1 released, a lot of girls asked me to say that. उनके बॉयफ्रेंड्स भी साथ में थे तब भी बोलते थे, बॉयफ्रेंड भी ऐसे करके बोलते थे कि बोल दो एक बार. So it's just that कि to all the ladies, Babu, I love you, and I'm sorry, and I seriously love you. So I think
Seriously, I'm single. Leave a comment right now if you would love to be his Valentine. Thank you so much, and thank you for giving us such amazing, truly manly Valentine's and dating advice.
Thank you, Miss Malini. If you like this video and if you like Miss Malini, just subscribe to missmalini.com.
I love it. He's well trained. Perfect boyfriend material.